NetCrunch Honest Review, expert insights and user experience with RMM tools. If you're looking for robust remote monitoring and management RMM solutions, NetCrunch is a platform that often comes up. I tested it thoroughly and here's my honest review. Most people assume it's only for smaller teams. The surprising truth is that NetCrunch scales well for medium to large networks. It offers comprehensive monitoring for servers, applications, virtual environments, and network devices all from a single interface. The dashboard is user-friendly, with customizable maps, alerting rules and reporting features. Automatic discovery of devices saves setup time, while SNMP, WMI and monitoring provide deep insights. I found the threshold-based alerts particularly effective for preemptive issue detection. A standout feature is its integrated network mapping and visualization tools. They allow admins to see device interdependencies and quickly troubleshoot outages. Remote access and automation reduce downtime and streamline operations. Limitations include the initial configuration, which can be complex for beginners, and licensing costs that may be high for smaller teams. However, the feature set and scalability make it ideal for enterprise environments. Overall, NetCrunch is a powerful, versatile RMM tool for professionals who want detailed monitoring, proactive alerts, and comprehensive network management. Subscribe for more honest RMM reviews and insights to help you choose the right tools for your organization.